Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Illy. That's why you know Adventures of Illy, because this is my lifestyle. This is what I do every day. These are my daily routines, and today we are reviewing a hair. So I got this hair from Thehaircarters on Instagram. They are a brand who sell synthetic and human blends on Instagram. They have a website. I would put the link here. Okay, so today we're going to review the hair. Okay. Ta-da-da! How do I do it? Okay. Thehaircarters on Instagram. Let's unbox together. So I don't have the scissors around here. We're gonna do the old-fashioned way. This is what it looks like. Anyways, let's do this. This is the hair style. Well, I didn't get it in this color because they didn't have hair from Boss Lace. There's a free pattern, clean scalp, clean, safe and clean cap, MediFresh approved. 13x4 deep lace. It's a premium synthetic wig. Anyways, it's pre-plucked hairline, special colors, hand-tied lace, which calls for advanced protection. This is available. This color is HL 613 by 627. It's Narinda. It's in the style Narinda 1B. Let's see. It has baby hair, safe heat styling, high heat styling. So you could style this, even as a synthetic wig. You could style it. You could also anyways, let's see. Ooh, baby. Guys, I seen baby hairs. This is the baby hair. Oh, this is so cute. You guys see. Guys, this is pre-plucked. These are the baby hairs, pre-plucked. We say the cap. Let's see. It comes with double clips, one at the back, one at the side. Oh, sorry, two at the side and two at the back, guys. I think I like this cap. It's dark. I like it. But you have to wear something underneath. for this to lie the way he wants it to. Guys, let's see. Even though my hair is not covered, I want you guys to just see what the frontal will look like. Well, you see, right? I know because my hair is big, it won't stay, but I'm going to style it and then take a video of it, and then you guys are going to see. But I think it's just going to stay. I like the length. What do you guys think about the length? I have to tint the cap too. I have a spray tint. I'm going to use it. What do you guys think about the length? It's simple, regular, feels like your hair almost. Can't talk to me. Can actually be back. Guys, let's see. So now imagine it's laying perfectly, meaning I could also take it up. I could coil the down to be more bold. Hi guys. So yeah, guys, in case you're interested in these, it would be in the what? It came pre-plucked, guys. Like pre-plucked. I could style it center. Or we could do sides. Well, what do y'all think about it? I'm going to style it, and then you guys are going to see a full clip of it. But overall, I think I like it. A premium synthetic blend. I like it. I like it. I love the smell of new hair. Sorry for the sounds you're hearing. My house is close to the road, so it's kind of noisy. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. Somehow, I think you can actually, let's see if it could be. Guys, I think it will do. Guys, I feel like I could use a hot comb and make it to be all back. Guys, this is mad. This is mad. What are you saying? This is mad. For a synthetic wig, this is mad. Yo guys, check that when I style it, okay? Check it out when I style it. Photographer.
Nice. Zumba, by the way.